folks, as you can see, Archer's all ready to rock and roll. The van is all packed up, breakfast has been had, and this is the view that we woke up to this morning, which isn't too shabby. As you can see, my friends, it is a stunning morning in County Kerry. What you're looking at there is the Ring of Kerry, and that's the direction we're going to be heading shortly. This is Ross Bay Beach, and across the water then is the Dingle Peninsula. Very, very close is Inch Beach, which stretches out from the Dingle Peninsula side. And there's Archer in all his glory. Huh? So stopping here, folks, because we're going to go visit some stove forts. So first fort is Cahergal, and then Le Cannebrule. Totally did that pronunciation no justice, but anyway. Archer is back on lead because there's plenty of sheep in this area, but it's pretty beautiful. So this is Archer, all ready for his lunch. Archer, that's not lunch. Yeah, I swear I do give him water. But we've decided to stop here at White Strand Beach because we're going to make some lunch and chill and relax here for a while. But what you're looking at across the water there is Valentia Island. That is one epic spot. So if you are down around this direction, I most certainly recommend you give time to go explore Valentia Island a day if possible, and the Skellig Ring in general. It's absolutely epic. We don't have time on it this trip, but I may add in some bits and pieces from my last trip. It is highly recommendable, and so is the Skellig Michael Islands that are off that. So now for lunch. sun is beginning to go down now behind the mountains, so it's getting a bit chilly, but we're not too far off the end of our day now. So Archer is still excited about the adventure, and this is our fourth stone fort of the day, and I think this is probably one of the coolest ones, I think, because this is the view, which is pretty spectacular, but also this is very untouched as such. This is still quite original compared to the other ones that we were at earlier, so it's pretty spectacular. Highly recommend a visit here. And last up on our journey is the town of Sneem. Beautiful little town, as you can see, quite colourful, full of pubs and restaurants, the narrow bridges. But that brings an end to our tour today, folks, of the Ring of Kerry. We'll be making our way onto Kinmare now next, and then we'll be making our way back over the Cork border, back home to Clonakilty. But hope you enjoyed your tour. Hope it brought back memories for those of you that have been here before, and gave you inspiration for those of you that have only thought about it and planned it, because everybody knows that everybody has thought about coming to Ireland, and I'm sure the Ring of Kerry, it's that mark. So on that note, folks, have a great evening. Stay well. Bye bye.